What's up, you guys? So we're back with another one. Now in this video, I'm gonna run by you guys a couple of fire opportunities. Even though we're in a high volatile environment, a lot of moving parts, there's still opportunities out there to make money in these markets, and I don't want you guys missing out. So I appreciate you for liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Let's jump straight into it. Ticker symbol GS. Shout out to the team over the Discord. Check it. We are down temporarily on our Facebook calls. They will be coming back this week, but these ones were popping off for the team, right? I entered into these GS calls at the start of the week, told the team over the Discord, and they were up well over 100%, right? So we banked great profits all around in this one. Now, we've only got about 40 days left this year. So if you guys want to get in on the action, right, jump in the plays with us, join a vibrant community, hit that top link in the video description, tap into the Discord, and we look forward to seeing you over there. Now, GS, what we're seeing right now is a major rotation in these markets out of high growth, high momentum areas into more value areas in the market, like the financials, okay? The market has all of a sudden started to think about inflation again, started to think about interest rates again, and that doesn't benefit these high momentum plays, but the financials can do very well in that type of environment. That's where you're seeing them move up. As a matter of fact, Goldman Sachs and other financial plays have been on a 2-day winning streak, and I expect that to continue. Now check it, look at the 1 month chart, 52-week high on this one, clocked in at 425. It's currently standing 406. Plenty of room for this one to move up, and it will, because sentiment remains high for the financial space. It always has been high this year. They were just on a bit of a pullback, a bit of a cool down. The market took their eye off them, but now they're suddenly hot property in the market again. And we were buying this last week in the Discord in anticipation that this week the financial sector would move up and start kicking it again. Now, also, as I told you guys, inflation, interest rates, that type of environment benefits the financial plays in the financial sector. So this one is going to climb higher, and I'm expecting it to clock in and break through all-time highs, fresh territory for the play. Now let me tell you guys how it's going to do that. These financial plays, they don't tend to just go up in a straight line, clocking in 5, 6, 7 green days in a row. This has been on a 2-day winning streak. You might get a green day tomorrow, but I expect very soon after that, whether it's the 4th day, you are going to get a red day. So you're going to get some choppiness, you're going to get some pullbacks, and those are the opportunities to get into the play before it starts to resume its climb, right? As I say, plenty of room for this one to move up, plenty of room for you guys to make money on the play. Now, I've always got financial plays in my back pocket because they've just moved differently to the rest of the market. And when you see that rotation, they start winning. All right, now we are going to see that rotation back into some of these high momentum areas. So check this one out. Ticker symbol NVDA, that's NVIDIA. Now this is a phenomenal play all around, showing some turbulence and price action right now, so it should be on your radars. Now the bread and butter of the company is the hardware they sell, right? These graphic processing units, these GPUs, the chips that go into gaming, data centers, personal computing, and they are growing rapid. We are talking 50% growth. A company this size, 700 million, growing at 50%. That is a big deal, and they're going to continue to excel. This is because not only are they best in class, but they own a lion's share of the market as well. Now, not only that, right? They've got growing divisions like the NVIDIA Omniverse, right? This is where they're taking the real world and pulling it into the virtual reality. So this is going to help companies with testing purposes, prototyping, building, those types of things. They're going to license this out to the companies, and that is a rapidly growing area of the business. Right, that area of the business is growing well over 100%. All right, so huge opportunity there, and that will take this one to a multi-trillion-dollar company. As I told you guys, check it out, 700 million in market cap right now. This, over the next couple of years, I'm expecting to be a multi-trillion-dollar play, right? So you can think about it like this. Anything you are investing into this company, you are making multiples on that. So price action currently standing 317 off 52-week highs that we saw a couple of sessions ago, just shy of $350. This is a play that deserves to be at 52-week high levels, given the performance that they have posted up over the last couple of quarters, been pretty much near perfection, as well as the growth potential ahead of the company. This stock has got a bright future ahead of it. That's why I'm looking to ensure that I just capitalize on any volatility that's happening right now. That being said, my plan with this one is to continue to dollar cost average into the play. That is to buy incrementally over time, ideally catching it on pullbacks, building up my stake with as best average as possible. Now, this is one that typically when it pulls back, it's around the region of about 15%. So we could see this one re-enter into the 300s. We are still in a very strong market, but 300s isn't off the cards of the play. If we do see it in the 300s, that's just a golden opportunity to continue building your stake, because as I told you guys, over time, we are looking to make multiples on whatever we put into this one. So it's a great one to just accelerate the returns in our portfolios. So I don't want you guys missing out on this one too. Ticker symbol CLF, Cleveland Cliffs, coming in at $22. Now, these quality material names, they're set up well, they're in a good position as we move forward, all right? So you're gonna wanna be taking a look at them. One of those names is Cleveland Cliffs. Now this one's been quiet from a price action perspective over the last couple of months, but now this thing is primed to make a move to the upside, all right? Currently standing $22. This one's got a lot of upside ahead of it for it to follow the leaders in the steel space, like Nucor, for example. You guys know it's one of the stocks that I've been putting on your radars over the last couple of months. That is encroaching on all-time high territory. They had a big shift over the last couple of sessions, and I'm expecting other names in the space like a Cleveland Cliffs to be following suit, right? This would have shot up today. However, we know we're in a very volatile market, a lot of sell-off across the board, and this one got wrapped up into that, okay? They had a big jump in the morning. They were up to about $23, almost $24 in the AM before pulling back. So I do believe this one is going to be making a move to the upside over the next couple of weeks. So it's an opportunity for you guys to catch this one while it's still relatively on the low before it does make that climb. Okay, this one should climb to that mid 25 territory. We're talking $24.50, $25 by the time we wrap up this year. It's a lot, as I told you guys, a lot of these quality material plays, all right, it's game on for them over the next couple of weeks. So you're going to want to be taking a look at them. Ticker symbol CLF, Cleveland Cliffs. All right, guys, so I want to talk to you about Bitcoin, because right now the crypto space is underwater. We're seeing sell-offs across the board over there. So it's an opportunity to be taking a look and to be adding to some of your quality long-term crypto positions. Now, this is a temporary price action we're seeing at the moment before they make a move to the upside. Okay, so I think that crypto should be taking at least 5% of your portfolio, given the growth potential ahead of it, right? The ecosystem is continuously evolving. There's a lot more to come for quality cryptos like Bitcoin. So it's an opportunity for you guys to get in while it's on the low. We know institutional adoption, take up, usage is increasing. We know platforms are opening up. We know awareness of crypto is increasing. We know the technology behind it is increasing. The number of use cases also is growing. So it's an opportunity for you guys to get in on the action while it's experiencing a little bit of temporary turbulence. And I do still think we are going to see a push up before we wrap up this year. Now, again, this is another dollar cost average play for me. So I'm buying in incrementally, especially when I see it wrapped up in some volatility, in some turbulence, going through sell-offs, right? So I can get the best entry prices. With these plays, you guys take that mindset of be greedy when others are fearful. You're gonna come out on top. All right, guys, so that wraps up for this one. On your way out, make sure you hit that like button for me. Also, check out the link down below to our Discord. Come and join in on the action, tap into the community, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.